Hi friends, this is Subrat here, and this is the 53rd video on my Python series, and in this video I am going to cover about Python set add method. So let's start. In this series of set videos I'll be explaining about what are the inbuilt methods present inside the set data structure. The first method we have the add method. So set add method adds a given element to a set. So whenever you want to add some new element inside the set, then you can use the inbuilt add method. So if element is already present, it doesn't add any element. That means, as we have already seen, set only supports the unique elements. It only preserves the unique element. It doesn't allow you to store the duplicate element inside the set. So if the same element is present inside the set, then it will not add that new element. The add method doesn't return any values and returns as a none. So add method doesn't return any value. It will only add or it will only update the variable upon which you are calling the add method. So let's see some examples how to use the add method inside the set data structure. So at first we need to see the syntax. So the syntax is set dot add and the element, the actual element you want to pass to add inside the set. Suppose I have a set called set var, and inside that I have the collection of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Suppose I am missing U inside my set, and later stage I want to add U inside my set. Then I can use set variable name dot add, and I can add it U over here. So it will update your original set variable. So here you can see it has updated your original set and it has added U. Suppose you want to add one more time U. As set doesn't allow us to store the duplicate element, it will not be able to add, and it will also not give you any error. Simply it will not add that duplicate value inside your set. Let's see the output over here. Here you can see the value has not been added. It is removing the duplicate elements and it is not giving you any error. Let's see some different examples. Suppose I want to add a tuple inside your set. Tple equal to I have a tuple 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I want to add this tuple inside my set var. So I can use the variable name dot add method add, and I can add the tuple. As tuple is immutable in nature, I can add it. And let's see what is the updated value. If you are checking the updated value, tuple will be added. Here you can see it is not preserving any insertion order. At first AEIOU was there, and at later stage I have added the tuple, but tuple has been added at 0th index. Let us add a list, whether it is able to add or not we can see. Then I can use my set variable dot add lst. So it will give me a same error, unhashable type list. That means list is mutable in nature, that's why it is not able to add. So I can add any immutable objects inside my tuple variable. So I can use anything like suppose I want to add a complex number 5 plus 7j. Let's see, and it will able to add. So any immutable object you can add by using the add method. So here index, we cannot talk anything about index in case of set. So we will not be using any index concept inside the set. Here also add any position, it can add the value inside your set variable. So we'll not be knowing is at which position the compiler will add the value. So friends, this is all about add method inside the set data structure. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding the add method, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.